Hello everyone, so in this video, let's talk about the first problem from the latest bi-weekly contest 165, problem named smallest absent positive greater than average. So pretty much simple, it says that you are given an integer array nums here. You have to return the smallest absent positive integer in nums such that it is strictly greater than the average of all the elements in nums. So you have to find out the number that is absent in this nums array that is strictly greater than the average of all the elements. Okay, and average, you know that you can find out by adding all the numbers and dividing it by the total count of the numbers. Okay, so as you can see, this is 3 and 5, and what you can see is that if you find out the average of it, it becomes equal to uh, 4. Okay, so you have to find out in this array the smallest positive number that is larger than 4. So larger than 4, strictly larger than 4. So it can be 5, but 5 is already present. So 6. 6 can be the answer. I hope you understand. So nothing much difficult. You just have to find out the average first, and then you can just iterate over all the elements one by one from, like, you can say greater than equal to the average and find out whether it is present in the array or not. If it is not present, the answer is that. And the answer is that. The constraints are pretty much small, so you can do it in a very brute force way. So what we have done is that you have to first find out the average. So average you can find out by iterating over all the elements and adding it that. I've done it in double. All the inputs are integer because I have to find it out. Instead of dividing, you could have done one more other way, but yeah, whatever suits you well. Adding all the elements and dividing to find out the average. After that, when you find out the average, you just have to iterate over from 1 till the, like, you can say, for, like, because the maximum value can be 100, I have gone through 1000, whatever you can suit. So from 1 to 1000, what I've done, I have to just check that whether this current ith number, if that particular number doesn't present, you can say it doesn't present in the array itself, and it should be greater than the average. If the ith number is greater than the average and not present in the array, then that's the complete thing. Okay, so greater than the average, I have to check here, and not present in the array, either, like, you can check it one by one, not present in the array, or I made a set because these numbers will be unique. Insert that particular number, every number in the set, while finding out the average, and in the end I'll just check that whether this number is not in the set, which means that not in the array, and it is greater than the average. The answer is that particular number. Okay, and that's it. That's a complete logic on a particular problem. It's a very simple problem. I hope you understand, and there are multiple ways to solve this particular problem as well. I hope you understand the logic and the code part for this particular problem. I will see you next one, like coding, and bye.